Okay, welcome back, friends, to the third video of basic commands in AutoCAD. In the previous two videos, we have covered some of the commands like line command, polyline, how to set dimensions, units, dimension style manager, like giving the arrow width, text style, text height, right? And some of the other commands also move copy. Now moving on to this video, we'll be covering up some of the other commands which are left in the last video. So the very first, let's start from a circle. See, while drawing the circle, they have given many options to you, like in what way you can draw the circle. Center and radius. Okay, the first one is center and radius. So it is asking you, you can see the screen, specify the center point of the circle. This is the center point. Now you can see over here into this command bar, it is asking you for the diameter. Either you can select this one, click diameter. Now you have to put the value of diameter, let's say 5 feet. See, I have made this drawing in feet and inches. It's up to you in whatever the units you want to make this drawing. So you can use those particular units, right? So this circle has been created. Let's see whether the diameter is 5 feet. Yes, you can verify using the dimension command. This one, right? Okay, so this is how you can check the dimensions, center radius, center diameter, whatever the thing you will be taking, it will be taking the values as per that. 2 point. What is this 2 point? Let's say it is asking you specify first endpoint of the circle. So select the first. Now it is asking you the second point, like if you have to make the circle in this way. So this is my second point as per the requirement of the drawing. So it will create the circle something like this, right? So this is the difference. It is the demand of the drawing. Basically, just be clear with this thing, why they have given so much options into the AutoCAD, because when you are into the complex drawings, you have to like you will be facing so many circumstances in I want the circle to be created something like this, right? So this is why they have given these options over here, right? So like in any of the drawing, you have to fit the circle within this box. There is some kind of condition is there. So you obviously you will be taking this 2 point circle, selecting first, then second, then easily you can create the circle. Then the 3 point circle. What is this? Let's see. Specify first point of the circle. Then it is asking you the second point, then third point. Right? It's quite simple. Nothing to understand this one. You can see. I will repeat this thing again. 3 point. One thing to understand the AutoCAD is they have given the guide in each and every step. Just do one thing. Hold the mouse on any of the thing. See, it is giving you the reference, like it is giving you the guidance, like how what is the meaning of this, so you can read and understand this picture. 3 point. This is my, just follow the cursor. This is my first point, this is my second point, and this should be my third point, or this one, or any one. Okay, so depending on the demand of the drawing, you can create the circle. 10 radius, then 10 means tangent radius, tangent. Now how you can create this one? Let's say tangent radius. This one I have selected tangent radius. So it will ask you to select the tangent. One tangent is this, another tangent is this one. Now it is asking you to give some radius, let's say 7 feet. Okay, so within these two tangents, it will create the circle. I will repeat this one again. tangent, tangent, radius. First, this is my tangent. It can be it is not very much necessary that the line is in like it is perpendicular to each one. It can be in any direction, like it can be like this, right? So these are the two tangent, reference tangent in which I want to make this circle. This is my first tangent, this is my second tangent. Now it is asking me the radius, let's say this one. So within these two tangents, it has created the circle. Now it will ask you to the for the third. So the third one line is this one. It is quite clear, tangent, tangent, tangent. So three references already given. So no need of radius in this one. First tangent is this one, second tangent is this one, third tangent is this one. So it will automatically adjust the circle within these tangents, right? So you can practice this one. We have covered this radius, diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent, tangent radius, and tangent, tangent, tangent. I hope these all points are the way of creation of the circle is clear to all of you, right? So it's quite easy. Now, previously we have in the previous class, we have done this fillet command, right? Fillet. Uh, I will tell you one more thing about this one. Let's say I will delete this one. So right now I'm going to tell you about this fillet and chamfer difference. You can see from the figure, fillet is something curved and chamfer is a tapered surface. So these are very important things that we are nowadays using in the drawings. Uh, Fillet, what we have done in the fillet, select the fillet command. Multiple means again and again you have to use. Okay, multiple means only this one. Then it will ask you the radius. Select the R radius, let's say 3 feet, or this is quite large value, 2 feet. Now within the lines you want the fillet, you have to select those lines, this one and this one. Click, see automatically it has made the curve as per the given dimension, this and this, right? Now chamfer, this is the fillet. Now going to the chamfer. Into the chamfer, the thing is same, little bit difference is there, multiple, right? Now it is asking you one important thing, very interesting thing. First of all, you have to select the multiple, then distance. So the first chamfer distance, I want 3 feet. Where it is saved, enter. The second chamfer point it will ask you, then let's say 2 feet. Okay, now select the lines, this one and this one. See, from one side this is 2 feet and this is 3 feet. I will show you this one also. See, the first one will be 3 feet, then second one will be 2 feet, right? Or if you are doing in the other direction, first I will select this one, then this, then it will be like this. So what is 2 and what is 3? Just see, dimensions from this point to this point is 2 feet, and from this point to this point is 3 feet. To make it uh, giving it some color, different color, so you can see. So this is what I have given into the chamfer one. You can practice on your own, right? By going back into the video few seconds earlier, you can just practice this command. So this is the difference between chamfer and the fillet command. You can use this thing in this way, right? Now In this one, we'll be going to do this ellipse. How to create ellipse. This is very important, very interesting one. Why the mouse is not working? Okay. I am selecting ellipse centered. Okay. So specify the first point, then second point, then the third. Sorry, this one is wait. Ellipse, it is asking you the center of the ellipse, right? Clear the ellipse using center. Specify the center of the ellipse. How to you will be selecting the center? Like I am having no, I'm not having any reference things for selecting the center. So what you will be doing? Select that ellipse. Just move the mouse or set the mouse until you will see a thin green line, green dotted line. This is uh, it is not working. See, right? So in this way, this is the center line of the box, and in this way, this is now see it is all automatically giving me the reference, right? So this is the center of the ellipse, and this is the end point, and this is the thickness, right? So this is how you can create the ellipse, right? I hope you are clear with this thing. If not clear, just go back in the video few seconds and you can understand this thing. This is the one way. I will repeat again. Okay. uh Select the ellipse center. How you will see the center, what is the other way of, like, if you are not comfortable or you are not getting the things in this way, what is the other way? Just draw the line from the center and this is your reference. Simple. Click on ellipse. This is the center, end point, thickness, and just delete these lines. So this is the other way, right? It's up to you how you are comfortable in finding the center of something, right? Now, um ellipse axis end. So what does this mean? The second type of ellipse. Select the axis end point, then the other end point, and this. See how easy it was drawing into any other shape. Let's say the box is something like this. I have to make the ellipse this, the other end, the other end. How easy it is, right? So this is how you can create the ellipse. Then rectangle is there. To draw the rectangle, select the rectangle, select any starting point, then any finish point. The rectangle is created. The very simplest way of creation of rectangle. What is the other way? Select the rectangle. Now select the first point. Then it is asking you another thing like area. Let's say area. I will select the area. I know the area of rectangle. Let's say 25 square feet. Enter. Now what is the length or width? Any dimension is known to you, it will automatically calculate the other one. Let's say the width of is 7 feet. Enter. So as per the area value given to you and the dimension, one dimension given by you, it has created something like this. It's quite weird. Let's say select the rectangle. First point, area is 25. Enter. The length is 5 feet. Enter. Why it is creating the thing like this one? This is 5 feet. There is some issue in this one. Just a minute, let me check. Okay, so in this one, if you have to create a rectangle, the first method was this one. Select the rectangle command, any corner, then the another corner. This is what is the first one. Then select rectangle. Okay, first one. Then this is the first point. Now it is asking you, let's say, dimension. Click on dimension, then it will ask you for the one length, let's say 10 feet. Enter. Then it will ask you for the width of the rectangle, let's say 8 feet. Enter. So automatically it will then ask you the orientation of the rectangle, in which way you want to put the rectangle. So click anywhere on the screen, you will be having this rectangle. Just check the dimensions. The dimensions are 8 feet by, and this is 10 feet, right? And another one is select rectangle, click on area. Now it will ask you area. Previously I was filling the area in let's say like I am putting 25, so it was in it is asked in square inches. So let's say 2500. Okay, random value 2500 square inches. Now it will ask you to define any of the value, length or width. Let's say length is known to me, or I am putting, let's say, 7 feet. Enter. So automatically it will be creating a rectangle with one dimension, one side is known and the area is known. Okay, one side and area is known, so it will automatically, one side which I have defined is this one, 7 meter. And area, if you have to check the area of anything, type area, right? Type area. Enter. Now what area you want to check? Click the one corner and the other sides. See, select all, then press enter. So it will be telling you the area, that the area in square inch is this, square feet is this, and even it is telling you the perimeter also, right? So what is the perimeter? So this is how you can just calculate. You can calculate the area of this. For this one, the area, again we are going to take area command, select the corners, select all, just press enter. See, the area is 2500 square inches or 17.361 square feet, and the perimeter is also defined into this one, right? So the another thing we can create using this command is this polygon with whatever the sides. Uh, See, once you will select this polygon, it will ask you, first thing is to enter the number of sides. Let's say 5. Okay, enter. Now it will ask you to define the center of the polygon. Let's say I want to create the polygon somewhere over here, right? So the next thing, it will ask you the circumscribe about the circle or in subscribe in the circle, like it should be made within the circle or outside the circle. Let's say in subscribe. Now see, it has created the shape, right? Just see. So you have to define the radius of the circle. So depending on the radius of the circle, you can create, let's say the radius is 5 feet, right? So if you will create a circle over here and giving the value of radius r, enter, or diameter, let's say I'm selecting the diameter 10 feet. So see, this is what does that option means, right? So if I am creating the other part, enter the sides, 8 sides, enter, this is the center, circumscribed. So I have created something like this, let's say 5 feet. So it is created. Now if I am creating a circle of 5 feet, 5 feet was the diameter, sorry, radius, so diameter will be 10 feet, sorry, circle. Radius we have defined 5 feet, right? So select the diameter, then press 10 feet. See the difference, right? I hope this thing is clear. So whenever you are creating the circle in the center of something, na, like you are not like I am over here. Let's say I have taken circle command. You can either take circle command from here, or you can just type circle CI. You will get this circle. So click on this. Now I am not having the center of this shape. Like I am not getting like where is the exact center of this shape. Just touch any of the side of this object. See, the thing has shown you the center. Now you can create this thing. This is for every shape, like whatever the shape you are having. So see, in this rectangle I want to make a circle, so but I don't know the center. Where is the center? Just move the cursor to any of the line, it will show you the center, but the circle is not possible into this one because it is a rectangle, right? So we have used this one also, polygon of any side, rectangle also the different way, and this ellipse also we have created, right? uh, Dimensions, we will be covering these dimensions in the next video. If you want to add some dimensions, mm, okay, I will make a separate video for the annotation tab, the complete annotation tab, right? I don't want to mix the things into this one. And one thing is left over here. Well, many things are there. Hatch. Hatch mirror is pending, right? So mirror is very simple command. See, into the mirror, I want to mirror this thing, right? Click on mirror command. Now just follow these things, the questions the AutoCAD is asking you. Mirror, select objects. I want to mirror this one, right? Then enter. Now it is asking you the mirror line, like where the mirror should be placed. I want the mirror to be placed. See, once I have clicked somewhere on the screen, it has shown me the preview of the mirror. So this is my mirror plane. Now it is asking you to erase the source object like the previous one. No, I don't want to erase that thing. Then click on no. Okay, so the both copies are there. If you have clicked on yes, anyway like this, y enter, so the source object will get erased. Or you can just make the mirror line to any angle, mirror this object, enter, the line is over here. See, this line means your mirror is placed somewhere like this. So at any point you can create the mirror, like so. This one is very easy command. Then scale command is there. I want to make this shape, like some complex shape is there. I want to make it a little bit bigger or smaller as compared to the this original one. Scale, press scale command, select the object, enter. Now specify like from which point I want to scale this thing. Like this is the origin, right? So select this one. Now you can see it is showing you the preview. So how much factor? Now you have to give the factor in the scale. Like it should be 1.5 times bigger, 2 times bigger, 10 times bigger, or 1 time shorter, zero point 0.5 times shorter, smaller. Like so, it is up to you. So let's say I want this to be 2 times bigger. So I will be putting the scale factor 2, enter. So it is 2 times bigger than the original one, right? Or you can again use this thing, the scale, select the object, enter, base point, zero point 0.5, the factor is 0.5, so it is almost half of it. right? So this is how you can just use the scale command. Or the other thing is scale command. Select the object. Now base point. What is the base point? Previously we are selecting the center. Now I am selecting some other point as per my requirement. Let's say any of the one, this one. So it will make it bigger or smaller with respect to that base point, right? Just see. So 1.7 times. So it will be something like this. Okay. So this is when you exactly know that how much percent you want to increase the size or decrease the size of something. One other thing is over there, very interesting thing. It's like the similar to the scale command. This one I know, right? This shape I know. Let's say the side of this is. I have to take the dimension. This is something like 5 feet 10 inches, right? Something like this. This is some kind of shape, but I want this shape to be to get fit in some other dimension, which is requirement of the drawing. Let's say over here, the line is 10 feet. Okay, this line is 10 feet. This is very important command. Okay, it will be very useful also. So the side of this pentagon is 5 feet 10 something, but I want the side of this pentagon to be 10 feet. Okay, or it should fit with this line. So what you will be doing? Align command. Align. Sorry. Mhm. Right? Align. So select this command, type this command, select this. Now it is asking you to select the object. I have selected this one. Now enter. Now it will ask you to specify the first source point. So my first source point is this corner. Now it will asking you the first destination point. So this is my first destination point. Enter. Just wait, it is not like this. Just wait. Align. Select the object. The first source point is this one. The destination, why it is. Wait. Just a minute. Okay. So what mistake we have done? Uh, Align. We have to select this align command. Select the object. Enter. See, it is asking specify first point. What mistake I have done? I have pressed the enter. This is my source point, first source point, first destination point. Now it is asking you the second source point, this one, and the destination is this one. Then enter. Now it is asking you to scale the object based upon the alignment point. Yes. So see, now you can see the side of this pentagon is 10 feet, right? So where you can use this thing, I will give you an example. Let's say we'll be covering these tool palettes also later on. Let's say, okay. I have placed this one. Whenever you are making some plan views, right, into this one plan, right? So this is the random size of any, like it is not to exact scale, but I am having some thing on the wall. Let's say this is you can say 2 feet, something like this, some wall structure is it. Now I want this seat to be matched with this line. So what I will be doing, again we are going to do this thing, align command, enter, select the seat or whatever the object is there, enter. Now it is asking first source point is this one, alignment point is this one, second source point is this one, alignment point is this one. Then press enter. Yes. See, now the seat is exactly to that dimension you want, right? So this is how you can use the align commands. So I hope so this thing is clear to you, right? And over here one thing is there, hatch command. Either you can go from there or simply you can press H, enter. So you will be into the hatch. There are so many things into hatch, so I will be making separate video for the hatch because it will become lengthy. Hatch, gradient, boundary. Okay, three things are there. I don't want to mix this one into this one. So in the next video I will be making hatch command, gradient, boundary, then array, rectangular path and polar array, then text. Okay, text, and then we will move further for the layers also. Okay, the layers is very important in the AutoCAD. Okay, so the layer things, this annotate complete toolbar we will be covering in next video, right? We'll be using this insert column also when you are going to, let's say you want to insert any file you're having on your PC, let's say uh, this one, how you can just put the picture in this drawing, the first point, and this is the second point, so you can easily have this picture, one of my project. Okay, so when you select this one you can just make it visible to whatever the thing, when like whenever you want to trace something, right? So there are many things to cover in this one. So okay, I hope the things for today's video is clear, so you can practice it on, and we will be further moving with if there is some kind of doubt, you can just put in the into the comment section. We will again work on those missing things or the things which are not clear in the previous videos, right? So thank you everyone. Just like and subscribe the video if you are if you like the video. You can just share it with your friends. So thank you everyone.